Let's talk about one of the first questions we hear from contractors and tradesmen at Dragonfly. Why do I even need insurance? I'm Matthew Granade, head of Dragonfly, and I'm going to answer that question for you today. Honestly, it's a fair one. Insurance is a big expense, and most of the time it feels like something you never actually use. You can go years without filing a claim, and it's easy to wonder, what's the point? At Dragonfly, we work exclusively with contractors and tradesmen. That means we've seen exactly why insurance matters and what can happen when you don't have it. So here's the short answer. Yes, you absolutely need insurance. Not probably, not in some cases. If you're a contractor building a real business, you need real insurance. And there are 5 big reasons why. Let me walk you through them. Reason number 1, you face risks that could destroy your business. Contracting isn't like sitting behind a desk all day. It's high risk work. One mistake, one accident, and your business could be in serious trouble. Just imagine this. It's a scenario that happened just the other day. One of your guys finishes late, drills into a wall, clips a hidden water line. No one notices. Overnight, water floods into the space. By morning, you've got tens of thousands of dollars in damage. Drywall's ruined, wiring soaked, the job shuts down, the property owner wants to sue, and suddenly you're on the hook for more than you can afford. Or maybe there's a fire, or a worker falls and gets hurt, or a trench collapses and there's emergency response. These aren't rare horror stories. They happen all the time in this business. And when they do, they don't just hit your cash flow. They can wipe out your entire company fast. That's what insurance is for. It's the thing that stands between a bad day and losing everything you've built. So let me move on to reason number 2. Your GC requires it. Almost every general counsel expects their subs to carry insurance. Why? Because if you don't and something goes wrong, they're often stuck with the bill. Say you're a plumber. One of your guys gets hurt on site. If you don't have workers' comp, the GC could end up paying the bill. That's why most GCs won't let you on the job site without proof of coverage. So be proactive and just ask them, hey, what insurance do you require from your subs? It's simple and it shows you're running a professional operation. Reason number 3, your clients and their partners require it. Same deal with your clients. If a wall collapses or a fire breaks out or a flood damages the property, somebody's got to pay. And they want to make sure it's not them. That's why many clients and their lenders require proof of insurance before you even start work. It protects their investment if something goes wrong. Reason number 4, regulators may require it. Depending on your state and city, local building departments may ask for proof of insurance before issuing permits. From their point of view, it protects the public. If something goes sideways, there needs to be a way to cover the damage. And reason number 5, it helps you win work. This one might surprise you, but it's important. Carrying insurance makes you look professional. It tells clients, partners, and even your own employees that you're serious about business. And it can give you a real edge when competing for bigger, better contracts. Now, for reasons 2 through 4, GCs, clients, regulators, the rules are usually spelled out in contracts or regulations. They define the minimum coverage you need to carry. But reason number 1, protecting yourself from business-ending risks, that's up to you. You've got to decide how much risk you want to carry, how much you want your insurance company to take on for you. That's where a good insurance broker can make a big difference. At Dragonfly, we help contractors understand what's required, find policies that meet those requirements, and decide whether you need additional protection beyond the minimum so that you can sleep well at night. So yes, you need insurance, but more importantly, you need to handle it the right way. If you want help reviewing your options, we'd be happy to help you. Just let us know. Thanks for watching.